Hello guys, this is Tech, and yes, today one of my happiest days because I just received my seal of approval of the Techsource channel. I had to thank Edgar because he was truly amazing when he sent me the seal of approval. He sent me the tracking number. When he showed my setup, he gave me the seal of approval and $100. Just to let you know, because there was a lot of guys telling that, oh, he doesn't deserve the $100, he's too rich. Anyway, what I'm gonna say is that these $100 I will make a giveaway on my Portuguese channel to guys who have a nice setup. So, just to let you know, I will not keep that money. That money will sure help somebody that really need it. Let's open this, check the seal of approval, check how it's made, and I mean, I'm still nervous to see what we have inside. Ooh. Okay guys, just look what we've got here. This is awesome. Oh my god. As you can see, this is the seal of approval. It's all made of acrylic. I think this is acrylic, and all these letters, if I'm not mistaken, they all graved in laser, using laser. So as you can see, this is the approved seal. It's heavier. I thought it will be lighter, but it's heavier, and the image is awesome. I mean, having my name on this plaque is awesome. This was my video for show you that I always made the seal of approval. I will now implement this seal of approval on my setup. I already have a special place for it. Of course, this is really awesome receiving this kind of awards. I know this is your work, your dedication, your I mean, knowing that only, if I'm not mistaken, 13 or 14 people in the world receive this, it's fantastic. Guys, I hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to thumbs up this video, subscribe to the channel, follow me on Instagram and Twitter, and as always, bye bye and see you soon!